Assalamu alaikum guys, welcome to a brand new video. Today's video I will show you an amazing software that could help you a lot, or you can say a website or web application, whatever you want to say. Have you ever think about it, like if you have cloud storage drives like Google Drive, Dropbox and Mega, and you want to copy the files from your Mega to your Dropbox or to Dropbox to your Google Drive. Have you ever think about it? If you are thinking about it or if you are not thinking about it, both of you guys should watch this video because it's gonna be a lifesaver. In some cases you can just simply copy the files from one drive to another without downloading and re-uploading the files. Obviously if you just download and re-upload, then why do you need this software or this website? So let's get into the video and let me show you the features and everything. Here I am in my computer screen. First of all, we have to go to a browser. Here I am going to Opera browser, and in the address bar you have to type maltcloud.com, or I will give you the link in the description. You can just go from here or just type the address in address bar and click on enter. So here you can see get started for free. So if you click here, you can just simply sign up for your account. Obviously you need an account to access, to use their services. So if you click on features, here you can see a lot of features what they are providing to you and which kind of drives they are supported. You can see from here. End of the page you can see they are giving security guarantee. This is the security they are providing. Here you can see 256-bit AES encryption, which is I think very good security system. Let's Google it. Look at this, what we found here. So I searched for what is 256-bit security, and they are saying it also the same level security used by the banks and other financial institutions to protect their sensitive customer information. Just wow. Here I am clicking on my multi-cloud, and if you are don't signed in, then you have to sign in first. I already signed in, that's why they bring me to the home page or dashboard, whatever you say. Here I added two drives, one is pCloud and another one is Google Drive. So pCloud is little bit full, I have to take care of them later. So if you click on add cloud, then you will see the cloud drives here. If you just click anyone, like if you want to add Mega, if you click on Mega, it will show you a pop-up of login page. You have to log in and click on enter. It will add here like this. So let's copy a file from one drive to another. So in pCloud I choose new folder and I will copy it. You can just simply copy or click on copy to, and then choose your destination folder. Like in this folder I want to copy this folder. Just click on OK, and here you can see the progress bar. It will show you how it's processing or how it's going. Here you can see a warning message. Let me explain it. Suppose you have a folder, and inside the folder you have 10 separate files, and if you copy the folder to another drive, then it will copy 2 files at the same time. Okay, but if you upgrade the plan, then it will copy up to 10 files at the same time. You know what I mean? With 2 files it will go little late, with 10 files at the same time it will go little faster. But as a normal user, I think 2 is more than enough. So here you can see 70% off. If you want to upgrade, you can upgrade it. So why you need to upgrade? Here you can see, first of all, you can transfer up to 10 files at the same time. So here you can see 2078 gigabyte. That means you can transfer that much file through multi-cloud. I think this is enough. As you can see, only 21.56 gigabyte is used by me, but if you need more, then you can definitely upgrade it anytime. Let's just cancel the process. I don't need it, I'm just showing you. So in the left side you will find a lot of options, but most important is remote upload. If you click here and if you click on create task, it will download any files directly from the internet to your drive. Whatever drive you choose, it will download directly into your drive. So first you have to choose the drive, then you have to paste the download link and then click on save to cloud. It will start the download. I will give the link in the description so that you can check it out, and if you find this video is helpful for you, then just leave a comment below and don't forget to subscribe. That's all for today guys. See you in the next one.